How are the people of Zen out there? Now, question for you. Do you believe in infinite intelligence? Do you really think that the universe has all of the answers that you seek? In today's video, what we're going to cover is how to trust in the universe. So stay tuned.
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
But before we jump into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I really love to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of each one of those areas, we would live in world peace and eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, and have more health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this entire planet. So if you guys believe in similar messages, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you are notified when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on these different topics, and share these out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages. So let's get started. So one way you actually can start to trust in the universe is literally just observe nature. Nature literally has the answers that you seek. Think about it, guys. Everything in nature kind of revolves in a circular type of motion or pattern. Look at the way the planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical circular type of motion. Look at how plants grow. When you kind of go down on a microscopic level, you can see patterns. They're all in a circular motion. If you guys don't know what the golden ratio is, go ahead and YouTube it or Google it. Check out the golden ratio and look at that as well. Think about it. All of the systems on Earth are in an automated type of system that actually replenishes the Earth so we can all live here, food can grow, and we could just flourish as people and animals in the world. But again, everything just flows together. So when you need help, look at the universe, look at nature, and it literally will have the answers for you. Also, you want to give grace and show gratitude. Again, that's another way you actually can trust in the universe, because when you do that, you start to just feel a little bit better about yourself. You would actually be more level grounded to earth and everything, and you would actually not be so upset, not have so many anxiety attacks, not get frustrated with things. You would just be more balanced when you actually give grace and gratitude, because those emotions and those different vibrational frequencies will actually trigger when you start to feel that negative energy coming. It will just block it in its place. So again, give grace and gratitude, and that's how you become one with the universe and trust in it as well. Also, you want to just become more aware of your surroundings. That also will help you just start to realize things and wake up. And when you observe things, you become more aware. And when you're more aware, you would appreciate more, and then you would just start to see things around you. Even when you're walking outside, don't just walk with your head down on your phone. Go ahead and take a look up at the sky. Do a 360-degree turn, just pan around your surroundings and look at everything and just observe. Look at the animals running, look at the wind, feel the wind blowing, look at the effect of that by the trees blowing in the wind or the grass or wherever. But again, when you start to just wake up and observe more, just your natural everyday surroundings, you will actually start to appreciate things more, and that will actually help you start to open up that channel to where you can trust into the universe. And I know it may not sound may sound a little bit weird to you guys, but again, when you start to do these things, it will make more sense. Think about it. When a kid is maybe 2, 3, 4 years old, and you as an adult tell the kid not to do something because you know the effects of it, because you've been in that situation before, and the kid doesn't listen to you, they ignore you, and they do it anyway, then eventually they will learn, and then they will tell their kids that. The same thing when it comes to these different topics. If you guys think they're weird or they're a little uncomfortable, but because you've never experienced it, but the person that's speaking about it, aka myself and other various channels out there, we tell you these things for a reason, because we are experiencing it, it's real, we want to help you wake up as well. So even though it may not seem real at first or a little weird, just trust in the process and just go and push through. You will be glad that you did. Your older self, 80, 90 years old, will thank you. Again, if your 80 and 90-year-old self can come back in time to this day, they will thank you for actually pushing through and let you know that you are on the right track. So push through that, be aware, give grace, be observant, and that will actually help you connect more and believe and trust in the universe when you need help and support. Also, guys, when you ask questions internally, listen to the answers that come out. Again, a lot of us are tuned out to those small voices that we need to hear and listen to, I should say. So when you ask and you shall receive, again, that's in the Bible, it's very true. You just have to tune in your consciousness to actually hear the right answers and let it guide you to what you need to actually do in order to accomplish whatever dreams or goals that you have. So seriously, guys, you need to actually listen to the universe. the universe does provide you the answers that you seek when you are asking questions. So you just have to tune in and actually trust the process. The first sign that is being answered may not even seem like an answer. It may even seem like it's weird, but you have to go to that just so you actually can arrive at the answer. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Like for example, if you ask, oh man, I wish I can, I don't know, pay off my debt of 50 grand. And then you get a phone call from someone say, hey, come with me to this, networking event. And then how does that help you pay off 50 grand? But then you go to that event, you connect with someone else that connects you with another person, and that person probably becomes your business partner or helps you actually create something to where you have your 50 grand. Again, it may take 2, 3, 4, 5 years to do this, but when you listen to that process, you are being guided to the answer. It's not going to happen overnight or instant gratification, but the answers are there. You just have to listen to that frequency and tune in. So again, guys, I really hope this actually helped you a little bit. Again, this is a short video, but I just wanted to let you know that if you trust in the universe, your answers will be there. They're actually already there. You just have to open your eyes and unwrap those gifts that you have to find your answers and just be led to the door that has the gifts behind the door. But you have to walk to that door and you have to open it. You have to go in order to get your gifts. But everybody on this planet has abundance waiting for them. You just have to learn how to push through, seek out answers, and they will be provided to you. You just have to be confident, have faith, have grace, and you will be able to live any type of life that you choose. As long as it's in alignment with peace and harmony, you can live whatever life. Alrighty guys, well, it's time for the quote of the day, and this quote comes from Ernest Hemingway. The world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at the broken places. So let me know what you guys think about that comment from Ernest Hemingway. Alrighty, well, that's all I have for you guys. Again, if you guys like this video, go ahead and share it out, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you guys soon. Planet Green Zen signing off. Have a great day.